Hello and welcome to the first video in our series on data management in Excel. This is Kim Keys-Wetter, and in this video I will show you how to begin the data management process by organizing your database and password protecting your raw data. This video was produced as part of the EvalFest project with funding from the National Science Foundation's AZEL program. Note that I'm going to be working in a PC version of Excel. If you're using a Mac version, you may note slight differences in both look and function between the two versions. Let's get started. We will begin the data management process by making a copy of our database. We're going to do this so that we can leave our original raw database password protected in case there's a need to ever go back and reference it. To do this, we're going to select the triangle icon between row 1 and column A in the spreadsheet. This will highlight the entire database. Now we're going to copy our data either by right-clicking and copying or by using the Control-C function. Now that we've copied our data set, we're going to go down to the bottom bar and select the plus symbol. This will insert a new sheet with A1 automatically selected. We'll paste our data into this sheet by either using right-click and paste or by using the Control-V function. Now we have two copies of our raw data, one to keep as a password protected copy and one to begin to organize and clean our data in. To differentiate between the two, we need to rename them. This can be done by right-clicking on the sheet you want to rename along the bottom and selecting Rename. I'm going to rename this sheet Clean Data, but note that you can choose any name that makes sense to your specific data set. Now we're going to click back over to the other sheet and rename it. I'm going to rename this one Raw Data. To ensure that nothing happens to the original raw database, we're going to want to password protect it. This is done by right-clicking on the sheet name again and selecting Protect Sheet. Once you've clicked it, a box will pop up. We're going to leave the settings exactly as they are. At this point, you're going to want to select a password. Make sure to pick one that you can easily remember. Once you've entered your password into the box, you're going to click OK. Once that is done, a second box will appear, prompting you to re-enter the password in order to proceed. Once you've entered your password again and clicked OK, you can check to make sure that your database is protected by selecting an item and attempting to erase it. A message will appear, letting us know that the sheet is protected. This concludes our first video. Please make sure to check out our other videos on data management. This is Kim, signing off.